With its excellent R&D capabilities and precision manufacturing process, RIUGOR has successfully created a high-performance electric trailer special funnel reduction system for German customers. The product is deeply customized to meet customer needs and is designed with lightweight, high-strength materials to ensure stable operation under complex working conditions, while taking into account energy efficiency and durability. The customized funnel reduction system does not include a differential, has a compact structure and high transmission efficiency, and perfectly adapts to the customer's requirements. By optimizing the gear meshing accuracy and noise control technology, the product has reached the European standard in terms of low capacity and quiet performance, demonstrating the professional strength of RIUGOR transmission in the field of core components of new energy vehicles. We respond to the needs of global customers with flexible designs and continue to provide cost-effective transmission solutions for the international market.